Hey guys, so I brought Soul to the nail salon thinking that it wouldn't be that busy because they just opened, and of course it's the holidays. It was so busy and people were doing acrylics and I just didn't feel comfortable with the fumes. He was crying the entire time, the way there, on the way back. For the first time in a long time as a mom, felt defeated and just feel like I haven't really had, he just needs me so much because he's teething and I'm the only thing that can comfort him, that I feel like I'm losing it, which is expected. It's fine, it's real life. But I think also doing Vlogmas, I'm stressed, having to find a place to move, I'm stressed. But I'm taking it one day at a time, and I called my mom, who called my dad, and he's coming here to watch Soul. He was in the area, but he's gonna come here to watch Soul for like 45 minutes while I just go to my nail appointment, which is 5 minutes away, get these done. And just to like have some time for myself, you know. Right now I'm putting everybody else before myself, you know, making sure Stefano's happy, it was his birthday, making sure Soul is content. He's here, Lolo's here.
Hello, disco player.
Hi Dad. Yeah, apple pie.
It's a specialty by McDonald's.
Thank you. Thank you, Dad, you're the best.
You're welcome for watching.
Disco, is he the best? Okay, this fat cat every time. Soul. Oh. Let's go. I just picked up Stefano from Bart, and now how are we spending our Friday night, mister?
We're going to Target to pick up necessities.
Uh-huh.
And just look around at things we don't need.
This is how we spend our Friday night. This is what parenthood
is actually about, yeah.
Is like getting
Everyone
excited.
else, all of my coworkers, we just moved offices and all of my coworkers went out to drink. And they're like, Steph, you want to come out to drink? I'm like, nah, I gotta watch my boy.
Oh.
And really that just meant,
let's go to Target.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna go to Curry Up now. It's a crazy Friday, folks, crazy. Wait, should we tell them the good news?
We got a house to rent.
We're renting, we're house renters. Finally,
so
we got,
stoked.
the reason why we were both so anxious is we weren't sure if we were gonna get that house, and we did. It has a huge backyard.
And it's less money than we're paying now.
Oh my God, we're so excited.
I'm so happy.
We are so excited. My mom was like, did you know I had a premonition? I was like, what? She's like, I had a dream that we were moving you into your house. But I didn't want to tell you because I didn't want to jinx you.
Are they excited?
They're so excited.
I know, I'm sure they are.
They're so excited.
We're so close. 4.5 miles away from our house.
Oh God. Hurry up now. I know.
That's a lot of food.
Oh my gosh. What is this? This is naan, pickled beets, chicken tikka masala, something with lentils, paneer. Oh my God, that's my favorite.
So.
Mouth is watering. And I also got some ginger lemonade. Deconstructed samosa. Best dad ever. Target! We're at Target! We thought I left this camera.
I'm so glad.
He's teething a lot. So I'm thinking there's just so many options.
Jem, what did you find? Is this your new home?
You know.
Nice home.
Sherpa white rocker.
Soul, what do you think of this? I know you could sit up in it if you wanted to. What are you doing? You're crazy. Don't hit your eye. He's getting frustrated.
All right, let's go.
Let's go, buddy.
Let's go. Let's go. You know what I'm saying, right? It's really funny. Here's our Christmas tree. So I got these wooden beads from Target, our dehydrated oranges. My mom actually let us borrow these very old, they're all pretty much all broken gold ornaments. So the ones that are broken that I can't hang, I just kind of like set them inside. And then we don't have a topper, so I decided to add these geometric air plant holders. I'm just gonna set it up there. And that's our gold DIY, also thrifted Christmas tree. And here's our Christmas boy.
That's you, Whiskey. And I put my hands up and play my song, butterflies fly away.
We also have disco balls. So I guess we'll just use these two. We might need a better topper. Mochi, please do not jump on this tree. Please and thank you. All right, gentlemen, what do you think of the tree?
It's really cute.
Yeah?
So what do you think? What do you think of the tree?